Hey guys, welcome back. Saturday in the shop here today. Kind of a quiet day. A couple things I want to talk about. We might tinker on Tom's bike a little bit. If we do, obviously you'll see that here coming up in a few minutes. I'm not really sure about that. So, bunch of housekeeping stuff. First things first, check the link below. It's going to take you to a page, Sweet Julia Grace. It is the charity that Mike and Frank, Pedro, and Betty's Big Revival are building to raffle off to help this children's charity. It's an awesome charity. They do all kinds of things for kids. If you're super interested, you can see all the stuff on their website that they do. This is the bike this past February Tom and I took up to West Virginia and helped them get started on. Well, that's coming to completion. I believe the raffle is going to be October 15th or 16th, but all that information will be there. It's $25 for a raffle ticket. You know, go buy one, go buy 10, whatever. It's a really cool bike, and more importantly than that, it goes to help a really good cause. So yeah, you can win a bike, but you know, let's help these kids out. So that is thing number one. Link will be in the description. Please, please, please go check that out. And if you feel so inclined, share it around on your social media. Obviously, the more people hear about it, the more raffle tickets can get sold, the more money can get raised, because that's what we're trying to do. No one is receiving a dime of any of this money. Mike and Frank aren't receiving anything. They donated all of their time, whatever money they spent on the bike. Numerous other people have spent, or not spent, but sent parts, donated all kinds of stuff. We donated the bike, so no one is making a dime from this except the charity. There's no, like, you know, the proceeds or any of this, you know, bait and switch or whatever. It's 100% of the money from the raffle tickets is going to the charity. So check that out, please. Buy a couple tickets and tell all your friends. So that's number one. Number two, we are looking for some serious feedback on the channel. What do you like about what we're doing on the channel? What do you not like? What kind of stuff do you want to see? You know, I've been sticking with kind of these long-term build deals, and I don't know if we just don't have that type of attention span anymore, or what the deal is, but you know, we are working hard to provide quality content. We want to know what people want, so that we can produce it and provide it for you guys. If nobody speaks up, then we just keep doing what we think people might want to see, and we're guessing. So we really want to do that. You know, we tried the bike giveaway deal. It is still running. Be sure to check that out. But it just doesn't seem to be gaining any ground, which is just absolutely crazy to me. I can't quite figure that out. So I don't know. That is bizarre to me. So anyway, we really want feedback. What kind of videos do you want to see? We seem to have, you know, real good luck with our shorts. We get lots of views on those. But there's no real information in that stuff, and I always find the stuff I like to watch is more technical, more information based. But maybe I'm not the norm. So if you saw our midweek video, we did buy this Top Fuel bike. That I do plan on using as a huge build series. Don't know if anyone cares or not. Let us know if you do, so that we can provide what you guys may want to see. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like what we're doing, so you get all our updates, and you know, it helps us stay motivated on this stuff when people watch. If nobody watches, it really gets hard to continue to produce these week after week, and not getting any results or feedback. So if you think we suck, tell us we suck, so we can figure out why.
That was Tom yelling at me, sorry.
What?
That was Tom yelling at me, the honk.
Oh, I didn't even hear that. I just heard the doorbell.
Sorry, I gotta make like 3 trips. You want me to wait a second?
I don't care.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, everybody's showing up for the day, so I'm going to get everybody started on work. I think that was the really two important things I wanted to discuss. So please give us the feedback, and more even importantly than that, check out the Sweet Julia Grace Foundation, link in the description below. And we'll be back here in a few minutes with hopefully some kind of some kind of project worth documenting here today.
All right, guys. So jumped out in the shop here. Tom is working on modifying his brake pedal. He's running some 2000 and up floorboard foot controls, and we're just replacing the factory rubber brake pedal with a nice machined aluminum one. In order to do that, we had to trim down the overall size of the pedal. Um, so we just laid the new pedal on top of that, made a couple Sharpie marks, and just getting all the excess material cut off that we don't need anymore. The new billet aluminum pedal will bolt on through the old slot. All right, everybody, here's all the info you need on how to enter our bike giveaway. We're trying to get this done before November 26, 2024. Check out our giveaway bike reboot video for all the specifics. If you're not sure what we're talking about, share on Facebook or Instagram. Tag Gattis Garage in your post. And then make sure you send an email to gattisgaragegiveaway@gmail.com with your name and your Instagram name if it's different. Also, forgot to put up here, but very important, you need to be a public. You can't be a private account or we won't be able to see that you tag us. So make sure you're public or we will miss your information. Anyway, I hope this time is going to go smoother than the last, and we really look forward to giving this bike away. And hope you guys enjoy the content as always.
A nice little cat.
So get these last little pieces trimmed off, and I'll be able to test fit our new pedal.
Alright. Let's see.
You just go like this?
Nope, just like that, yep.
How many holes you thinking?
I don't know, that's why I got
I
this.
know, the graduated, I know. I like to do them graduated, but I don't want to lose any integrity.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that. I think
Do like three?
they're gonna be all the same size. I'm just trying to decide kind of what size. I'm thinking
Not that size. I'm thinking the next row. Turn it around the other way so the big holes are here. That's what I'm thinking.
no, it's gonna be all the same size hole.
Really? You think so?
Yeah.
How come? Think we should narrow them up a little bit till it gets to the skinnier end?
You could.
Drop all the fucking money.
Oh. Let me see how much I got.
Going to jail for not much.
$11.
What's up, John?
What's going on, man?
You got your tools back.
You stuck up the wrong guy, Chuck. Just stuck up this guy right here.
You know where they go, honey? You should right now.
Yeah. Don't you think?
I don't know where the drill bit goes, John.
Tell me why you don't.
I just
And then
don't
I'll tell you why I don't.
They're too small in relation to the thing.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't like it because the first line is
I was just trying to give.
Reference. Yeah, the first line isn't perfect.
Right, but that.
I don't mind the holes. I don't think it looks bad at all. Would you rather do 3 bigger holes? Oh, like cut a section out of
slot. It's plenty strong.
Remember, I only have a back brake.
Well, you know what I want to do with it.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's my problem. Like, I wanted the holes to be, like say 3/4 inch would be the minimum. So
Yeah.
grab a can of brake clean and a paper towel. Should be
There's some in here?
should be some over by the carb table.
I wish we could figure out something cool for my clutch.
We will.
We will.
Yeah, we just got, you know.
Is there?
Well, I mean, not a tremendous amount. That's why. You know, mine, I cut all this out.
Yeah.
But you could. You could.
This is just a spacer, right?
Well, that's what bolts the transmission.
Okay.
But you could cut that out and that, and it would leave, you know, like. Kind of like that.
These will stay. Can we fill those?
Yeah.
Because we don't need them.
Yeah, just weld them closed, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was like bolt a voltage regulator. Doing a real good workbench.
That way,
Yeah, you could easily fill them.
I can take it to Brett and have him polish it once we do that.
Yeah, because the polish job ain't real.
And then you can polish the spacer too at the same time.
Oh, the one that goes on the motor?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you could go.
Right to here, right?
You could go to here if you want. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, somewhere like that.
Cut these corners out. Yeah, let me think about that too.
Yeah.
Now that it's
I don't know. Put this somewhere else. This is gonna end up on.
yeah, I will.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave it there.
I thought this box had some weight to it, but I don't.
It's empty.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
It's just, you know, again,
Preference.
it's just yeah. I mean, you could cut it in half.
Really?
You don't have to have that center section?
You don't have to. I mean,
Or is that
it makes everything stronger.
I was gonna say, does that keep the tension between on the belt though?
Yeah, yeah. So it's
So, okay. Well, your motor can't slide.
but the tranny
The
can.
tranny can.
Yeah,
Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave it.
yeah.
I think I'm gonna leave it. We'll fill these. I'll take it to Brett, and I'll take the. We probably should mock up. Eventually, gonna have to. Pretty quick, we're gonna have to mock up the. Oh yeah, you got to get the motor in first.
Yeah.
Because that spacer may not be the right spacer.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, we already had all that mocked up.
Do we have this on?
Well, we had the other one.
Oh, okay.
You remember? Because we
that's
originally got
right.
you a black one, but then you rethought it.
Yeah. and
So
you
I took
used
the
that
black
right?
one and
That's
yeah,
right. Okay.
got a polished one.
Okay. So yeah.
He's scared to cut it.
Yeah. I just was visioning more
You see
room.
the sweat droplets come
I was
off.
visioning more room in there, and I just don't think it's worth it.
More room than what?
More room than this, for some reason. I was, you know,
Oh,
I don't have one to look at every day.
oh.
Any other polished things?
Well, there's the cap for the starter nose,
Okay.
and then there's those pulley covers and stuff. I don't know what's going to end up with all that, you know. But
Yeah, I know.
are you going to run
Hell no.
the front guard? So then those really should be cut off too.
These here,
Yeah.
and what do you cut them down to here? Because this is milled into the machine,
Yeah, I know.
into the piece.
Yeah.
Can you mill this off and all this off
Probably.
and get this down to flush? Because I'm not running a cover on my. I never ran a cover.
Well, it's like
on
a front cover.
Yeah,
like
I never.
a heel guard.
I never put
yeah.
that shit on my chopper.
No, yeah.
Man, I think if we clean that off and fill that in, fill these in. These are actually these are mounting. Everything else is mounting is what we need, correct? These.
Yeah, those.
Yeah.
It's 8. 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay.
But then there's these too.
Where do they go?
That's for guards.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Now you could utilize those back to and we could make a tag bracket
Yeah.
that goes around the back of the belt if you want or
Correct. Yeah,
something.
which is most
But
likely.
you still got. I think.
I won't have a light on it. There won't be a light over there.
Who gives a shit?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
this one you could fill in and then cut
Cut
up,
off.
you know. I think I might have done that on mine.
yeah.
I had intentions to, but I also might have fucking bailed at the end because it was like,
And we can make that seamless.
yeah, I mean, it's a fucking lot of work, you know. You weld it and then sand it and then,
Yeah, I think it looked better with this smooth. I like that. I don't think I want to cut that.
oh yeah, the giant
But
ones.
I want to take this off. Clean that all off, right?
Yeah.
Clean this off.
They look good.
You know?
Yeah.
Fill these
Yeah,
in.
it's a
Fill in what we don't
Yeah,
need.
the 21 looks good and still rides good.
Yeah.
But it's going to cost me
yeah.
$1,000 to do that.
Now, one of them bought one. I got another one. They gonna put
Just time.
Yeah, it's
That's
a
what it
wide
is. It's a
21.
lot of time.
Yeah, they're pretty cool too.
Yeah,
So I built one,
$1,000.
a guy 34-inch, the wheels like this tall.
So these are for covers too, John, right?
Yeah.
So this would have to come off.
Well, those I would use for the tag bracket.
Okay, tag bracket.
You know, we'll make like bungs and then a plate.
Yeah,
it'll
round
be.
plate, yeah.
That's what I was gonna do on the
King Tut.
King Tut, but I never even bothered putting a tag on it because I knew I was never going nowhere with it. So, but that's what I would do on this one.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you just have that one front one,
yeah,
the top front,
in this.
and that shit.
All right, so after lots of deliberation, we have decided we're going to remove all the guard mounting points off this inner primary. I found that it just was going to be easiest to go ahead and remove them with the flap wheel. This is all going to go out to the polisher anyway. So just slowly working our way up to getting it smoothed out where we wanted, leaving it just a touch high, and then going over it with 80 grit on the DA sander. That'll give us a nice smooth finish and a good starting point for the polisher. During the week, I'll go ahead and weld up all the old holes that we're not going to need anymore and blend those off as well. Once it's all polished, it'll look good as new and look like it was always made that way. So, really working out really well, modifying this. And here you can see all sanded off. A couple of those holes are going to get welded up. These two mounting holes here. We're not going to use any of the guards or covers on this thing. We just don't like the way they look and like a more simplified look. So that'll get welded up and blended off there. And overall, the whole thing will be nice and smooth and show polished.
We got a lot done today.
Perfection.
Yeah.
So we're gonna cut this out here like this.
Yes,
Can you move your car?
Oh my God.
All right, guys, that's it. We put Tom to work today. He got his primary all cut up and sanded. I got to weld some holes. We'll fill a bunch of holes in that we're not going to use. And we checked out the front pulley cover. We're going to modify, open it up. But anyway, not a ton of progress, but lots of important stuff done.
Most importantly, what are we gonna do? We're gonna make it cool.
We're going to make it cool. That's what we always do. Everything we do is cool. So it's tedious work, time-consuming work, but it's got to be done. That's why these bikes, to me, turn out really exceptional compared to stuff that just gets parts bolted on. So anyway, we are going to get out of here. Appreciate you guys being here. Don't forget to please go buy some raffle tickets. Check out all the information on that. Links are in the description. And that's it. We're out of here. We're going to go pick up our top fuel bike on Monday. So hopefully we'll get some footage of that and have some up close shots of it to share with you guys. So appreciate it. And we hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.